A hearty welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to see about the probability theory, which is a very important part in almost all the research and academic activities in the modern world, its history and evaluation. Very first thing, let us go with the probability. We can say it is a work of chances, like yes or no. I will go with the simple words. It is a game of chances. It is like yes or no. Whenever you do something, that is probability. There are so many definitions. Means chances of occurrence is the probability in simple words. Now coming to the discussion here about the history, a person named as Girolamo Cardano in 16th century was referred as the father of probability. You can see the picture there. He was prepared the game called Game of Chances. Based on the games of chance, he has prepared a theory in 16th century itself. But later, the two mathematicians, very famous French mathematicians by name Pierre de Fermat and Blaise Pascal, both were French mathematicians and physicists who laid the foundation with the point of problem of points, how it works in probability, problem of points. The next part, this was the beginning part. Later, let us know how it started. Very first question is that it is based upon a gambler's dispute in 1654. This thing led to a confusion, or I can say theory of mathematical theory of probability. These two French mathematicians, Fermat and Pascal, they were invited by this fellow called Chevalier, and he started to discuss about the game of dice. The question was very interesting, or you can say he called them Pascal's attention to what a contradiction point that in the dice game, the game have a pair of 20 pair dice, which is having we can throw for 25 times. The problem was whether to discuss whether to bet or not to bet even the money on the occurrence of at least 166 during 24 throws. Now, even though it has a what you call established gambling rule by this fellow called Chevalier, he thought that it would be betting on a 66 in 24 hours would be profitable. But when it lead his own calculation, that it is just opposite. It is not possible to get benefits here. This has led to exchange of arguments, or in the simple words, you can say exchange of words between the two fellows, that is Fermat and Pascal, and they started the discussion and laid some foundation on this one. It is fundamental principles of probability were laid, were formulated. Although there were no particular theory was written there in that time around the 16th century, or that is 16th and 17th century. The person called Huygens, a Dutch scientist, he's said to be the teacher of Leibniz, a very famous person. He found about it and published a book towards probability, and he wrote some problems with respect to gambling, and he prepared it respect to appeal to the games of chance. And later, when it prepared like gambling purpose, the probability theory has become more popular. And afterwards, the major contributions or major part was carried out by Mr. Bernoulli, it is Jacob Bernoulli, in the period of 1654 to 1705, and Abraham de Moivre in the same period, 1667 to 1754. They prepared a lot of theoretical aspects and backgrounds on this work. Later, in the 19th century, the famous person Pierre de Laplace, he introduced very new techniques in his book and prepare the book that is called as Theory Analytic des Probabilitas. And he has given a modern look for this mathematical analysis of games of chances. And he applied these probabilistic ideas to many scientific and probabilistic practical problems. Earlier, people used it for what you call gambling and some things, but this fellow, Laplace, used it for completely practical, like structural mathematics, like statistical mechanics, were the most important in the 19th century. These were the main theories prepared by Laplace. This is the simple history, but worth to learn about the history of probability. Hope you liked this video. Kindly suggest us to prepare any other videos. If you like it, watch, share, and subscribe our channel and encourage us to do more videos on it.